Hi, my name's Isaiah Alley, the top nuclear scientist in all of California, and today I'm here to teach you the science behind nuclear energy. Come on, let's get started. Nuclear power plants create power through the use of steam, turning large turbines and generating huge amounts of electricity. The steam is created by water heated up by the process of nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is the process of splitting up radioactive atoms to release amounts of energy. Uranium-235, a radioactive element, undergoes induced fission, the splitting of its atoms, which releases energy and heats the water, creating steam. Neutrons are fired at long rods of uranium, which stimulates fission and therefore heat. While the uranium used is non-renewable, there are almost no known byproducts and no signs of emissions. And California is the perfect setting for a nuclear reacting plant. Let's head over to the environmentalists to show how it affects our world.
Oh hey, I'm Jack. I'm an environmentalist. I'm here to tell you about the effects of nuclear energy on the environment. Although nuclear energy is non-renewable, nuclear fusion uses hydrogen, one of the most abundant resources in our atmosphere. This helps us conserve our precious resources. As per reports since 1998, it has been calculated that the emissions of greenhouse gases has reduced to nearly half since the popularity of nuclear power. Nuclear energy is by far the lowest impact on the environment since it does not release any gases like carbon dioxide or methane, which are largely responsible for the greenhouse effect. An increase in nuclear energy will help to fight catastrophes like global warming and ocean acidification.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I'm Bobby Gilbertson, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the history of nuclear energy. Since Einstein first put forward his paper on the idea of mass energy equivalence in 1905, more famously known for the equation E=mc², the concept that tiny amounts of mass could be converted into large amounts of energy has led to the search for new technology. The advancements made in the new field of nuclear physics arguably have had the potential to alter the course of the future of humanity more than any other. Because while the creation of the atomic bomb poses one of the world's greatest threats, the creation of nuclear energy may shape the future in a positive way. Since the first nuclear reactor to create electricity was constructed in Idaho in 1951, the world has begun to rely increasingly on nuclear power for the purpose of generating electricity. Today, nuclear energy provides around 11% of the world's energy, producing over 2,000 terawatt hours annually, over 790 of which is generated in the USA. With 440 nuclear reactors operating in 31 countries and 65 new plants currently under construction. Nuclear power could potentially help ease the world's need for energy, already providing more than a tenth of the world's power, because unlike coal or oil, it produces almost no harmful emissions.
And now over to Dylan with the economics of nuclear power.
What's up? I'm Dylan, and I'm going to talk about the economics of nuclear. Nuclear is much more cost efficient in comparison to fossil fuel. Initial investments are on the high side because of high strength steel and cement. However, it is cost efficient to spend extra on the high grade of steel and cement for facilities for safety. In addition, although the facility will require many workers, this creates jobs for many. Over the long run, nuclear will remain at constant low cost, saving people financially when compared to rising gas prices currently. The process of creating nuclear energy creates uranium and plutonium, which can be reprocessed as fuel for the nuclear plant, and the act of reprocessing also reduces the volume of waste disposed. Thanks, guys.